ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সকলকে স্বাগতম। গত পর্বে আমি আলোচনা করেছিলাম জব রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অব অ্যাসেম্বলি প্রোডাকশন ম্যানেজার। এই পর্বে আমি আলোচনা করব জব রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অব ফিনিশিং প্রোডাকশন ম্যানেজার। Job responsibility of finishing production manager, its 5 categories: administrative, production, quality, maintenance, compliance. Administrative: company rules, office order, management information, timely report, recruitment, discipline. Production planning, work measurement, work setting, work distribution, priority setting, manpower calculation, ensure the presence of worker, highest use of manpower, machine calculation, highest utilization of machine, to fix working hour, highest use of working hour, joining the work at the right time, ensure work environment, logistics support for target production, safe materials handling, maintain target production. To ensure SMB, control working wastage, target review and compare, to exercise general control over all activities in washing, attachment, labeling, PQC, mending, iron measurement and packing, to give proper instructions to the staffs and worker, to maintain time frame for each work, to arrange pilot run inline inspection, to take production approval for wash, hand fill, attachment, labeling, PQC, ironing, packing accessories, attachment, folding, assortment and carton before bulk production. To receive goods from assembly section as per packing assortment. To receive all kinds of washing chemicals, attachment including zipper, badge, button, all kinds of label, all kinds of packing accessories exactly as buyer instructions and requirements. To ensure and have to perform highest efficiency of man and machine. To ensure machine servicing work has been done perfectly. To prepare foley and carton measurement on time. To ensure balanced and perfect production of all process like wash, attachment, label, PQC, mending, light check, iron, measurement, get-up check, metal check, hang tag, folding, polyblister, assortment and cartoon. To ensure all worker and staff's work has been done properly, finishing production manager has to take proactive initiatives for smooth production regularly. To take up-to-date documents like order sheets, approval comments, take back. Make sure line inspection is properly completed. Make sure any defective goods, hole, mending, spot, dirty marks, uncut threads, foreign yarn, dust, uneven shade, knitting defect, yarn defect, linking defect, overlock defect, wrong mending, wrong trimming, wrong bartek, bad hand feel, bad smell, uneven attachment, wrong attachment, label mistake, size mistake, wrong ironing, wrong measurement, packing accessories mistake, wrong folding, wrong assortment, etc. faults will not put in the export carton. To ensure all mending work has been done nicely. To protect misuse of needle, spare parts and other items. To maintain proper housekeeping. To make plan for next days. To keep an eye on shipment schedule. To coordinate to all departments. All kinds of damaged and altered goods have to recover same day. Make sure ongoing working process and completed goods for finishing section must be as per packing assortment. To prepare and submit production report at same day. To attend PP meeting. To arrange coordination meeting. Any alters, damage, reject sweater have to recover at same day. To save company's property. To complete shipping goods on time. To arrange final inspection successfully. To hand over shipment perfectly. Quality. Goods can't keep on the floor directly. The sweater keeping place shall be clean. All color must be kept separate. Always keep the floor machine clean to avoid size mixing. To report to management any quality issue. Make sure 100% quality check in wash, attachment, label, PQC, light check, measurement, get up, metal check and label check in packing is done properly. Maintenance. To ensure regular servicing work has been done properly. Ensure maximum use of machine. Machine have to cleaned before starting work for every day. To keep machine maintenance report. Always fix time for machine servicing. Machine repair and fix according to traffic light. Regular schedule service. Routine checks. Emergency repair. Replacement. Compliance. Ensure personal safety first, then machine. Compliance requirements, compliance laws, compliance rules, compliance policies, compliance standards. That's all for the moment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.